Jamaican curry goat hate to see me coming from afar. That's one of my favorite Jamaican things to eat. So of course me know if I bust it down. As a part of your wash meat culture, the first thing me do I wash down my goat meat. Me use vinegar, salt, and lemon. When me a curry anything, me love hit it with the curry first, and me did just that and rub it in. Then me hit it with some of our very own very necessary island spiced oil. Me tell you that good and on everything, and that I go set your curry goat apart from anyone else. Me season with a little Creole onion powder, garlic powder, some ginger, enough garlic, and anything else that me use when I mention. Me rub that in thoroughly. Now, any meat can cook right away and taste good, but for best result, marinate at least 5 to 24 hours. You can even season your goat meat, bag it up, and put it in the freezer. And anytime you're ready to cook it, if I even a month, you take it out and you just cook it. Nice as. Me no know me just about my word that. Now when me get ready to cook it pot on the stove, me add some curry and some of the island spice oil. Me stir that in and make that fry up a little. Me don't like to say make it burn because a lot of time people reach out to me asking me why then curry bitter. Maybe you burn it too much. Not follow nobody else if you burn the curry. Fry it out a little and rub it out while it frying out. Get rid of some of the grain for who asks me why then curry grainy. My curry never grainy yet. Add me goat meat to the curry and oil mixture. And me love to stir that in thoroughly and then lower the heat to medium and cover it and just let it go and do its own thing. Of course, you go open and stir it occasionally. This is about half an hour before me add any water. This is the first water me add. And when me add the water for the meat start cook, me love adding a small chopped onion. Cook your goat meat, adding water if you need to whenever it dry out. Don't add one pot of water, little by little. When it cook about 90% of the way you want it, me like to go in and re-season my pot. Some more onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. Cover that down and make it cook another 10-15 minutes. If you choose to, you can always add some potato or some carrot or some potato and carrot or some people add spinach. And honestly, some people not add nothing. But if you choose to, the last 10 minutes of the cooking, peel your potato, cut them small and add them. Stir them in thoroughly. Once your potato cook and your gravy is at your consistency and your amount, you're good to go. No, you may think I may make it up, but my friend tell me say,